What's up, yo? It's like easy, everybody sees me. My imagination runs deeper than the rivers of evil. Goodness as well. I live in life in a shell, hidden in hell. God is real, Satan is his tail. We all caught up in his dirty fingernail. Rip it out, throw it away, then you never ever fail. Learn to pray to smell every letter to each and every individual. Damn, Satan, you need to go. Leave me alone to regain my jewels. I remember this policeman tried to finger me because he was adamant I had drugs hidden in my little bag. There was 4 of them and I was crying as well be. So could you see why I should hate the white man, but I don't. They forced me to do something man didn't want to, so I know how to rule now. I never ever stop telling the truth on all levels. I'm the new rebel with the strength to work a shovel. I love the thought of a legit brothel. All your pussy hoes get left way back down the track, cause my lick is fat, Asian but not black. I love God cause he got me first, and I'm fast to burst visions of a spiritual earth. Murder and bury a curse, and the government is still hating on the nurse, never giving her enough to fill a purse. Give me the curse like Janet Jackson. I don't give a fuck cause I'm first, number one in the Jackson family. Cause before he was deceased, he telepathically told me I'll be remembering you by the time I'm dead. When I'm 50 years old, I'll be visiting your house, and I've said what I said, and it's said. And so listen, this is it. This is the history of my life story. You can't test me, just a babble MC. Westside Tupac Shakur, study hysterically his whole flow, his whole soul. And now I know, cause with the spirit guide that he's become when the angel on high, he visits my kind, visits my mind, visits my right, lets me leave my body and fly around the universe with this curse. So this is my next verse. I burst worse than all of y'all. Sense and the you don't really need to know. So let me please go. Whoa.